New England. Temperatures, though, are going to be running cooler at the coast, and there is a low-end chance for a storm. This is going to favor areas that are north and west of the city. Right now, we're pretty quiet out there. You can see showers and storms across New York State just now starting to veer within parts of Vermont. And as we look at our weather setup, any of these showers and storms are closer to this front right now. But what we have is high pressure that's going to be off to our east in the Gulf of Maine, and we have clockwise flow around this. It's going to give us an onshore wind along the coast. So there, the stable marine air is going to keep those storms away, but the best chance for those storms remains off to the north and west as we get into the afternoon and evening. Visible satellite, we continue to get rid of some of that cloud cover, so some promising signs that we're getting into more sunshine. Still, clouds are dominating, but as we get through the rest of the morning into the early afternoon, this is when we're going to start to see more in the way of sunshine. Now, as we get through the afternoon, this is also when we're going to get that chance for a pop-up shower or storm, and you can see here depicted showing north and western towns. And the brighter, vivid colors indicates that you could have the potential of getting under some of these downpours if you get under one of these cells. So I think the setup similar to yesterday, as there's still a lot of moisture in the air, definitely leading to the potential for some downpours. Future forecast shows once we get past sunset thereafter, that threat is going to dissipate, and then yet again we'll have more cloud cover and fog that's going to redevelop, and then that disperses as we get into the afternoon. So we'll get into some sunshine. It's dry tomorrow. Chance for storms and showers, that's well off to our west near a front. How about temperatures? Well, it's mild out there. Low 70s for us from Boston, points west and off to the north. Upper 60s across the Cape and the islands. 68 is the water temperature currently. Dew points are in the upper 60s, right near 70 degrees. So this air mass has not changed. It's still muggy. In fact, just settle in with the mugginess because it's around for the next few days. We look at the wind, and it's pretty light right now, generally out of the south. I think it's going to veer more southeasterly. So again, that water temperature at 68 plays a role when we have that onshore wind. Temperatures there staying down compared to inland in the mid to upper 70s from the north shore down to the south shore. And I think temperatures yet again across the Cape in the low to mid 70s, while inland we're heading for the low to mid 80s, much like yesterday. Beach forecast, we're in the 70s, a nice afternoon. Our rip current risk is low this weekend, but the UV index is going to be high. Only takes about 20 to 25 minutes to get a sunburn. Our next tide is high tide at 1:21, so we're losing beach space up until then, but gaining more beach space through the afternoon. Not a lot of chop on the water with seas around 2 feet and a southeast wind about 10 to 15 knots, so a good day to take the boat on the water. Overnight temperatures will be in the 60s with the areas of fog redeveloping. Tomorrow, what do you say we do it all over again? 70s on the coast. It'll be in the low to mid 80s inland. Next chance for storms arrives on Monday. Then look at this. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, likely another heat wave for some towns as we head near 90 with the humidity. It's going to feel much hotter.